Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 7. Annyeonghi Gaseyo, which means goodbye in Korean. Annyeonghi Gaseyo is considered to compose of two words, which is Annyeonghi and Gaseyo. Annyeonghi means to be well, and Gaseyo means to please go. So when we combine this, it's the same as saying goodbye, please go well. So you can say this to say goodbye to a person leaving the place when you are staying. Now let's study how to write Annyeonghi Gaseyo in Hangul. Let's start with the first word, which is Annyeonghi. This is composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable is an, and this is formed from the combination of the a and nian sound. Take note of the no sound ing at the beginning of it. The second syllable nyong is formed from the combination of the nian, yo, and ing character. The last syllable he is formed from the he and e character. The second word, gaseyo, is also composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable, ga, is formed from the combination of the giek and a characters. The second syllable, se, is formed from the combination of the siet and e characters. And the last syllable, yo, is the combination of a no sound ing or a placeholder ing and the yo character itself. And with that, you just learned Annyeonghi Gaseyo. Now let's proceed to the word recap. Word number 1 is Annyeong Haseyo. This is informal but considered polite way of saying hello. Word number 2 is Annyeong Hasimnikka. This is a formal way of saying hello. Word number 3 is Gamsahamnida. This is a formal way of saying thank you. Word number 4 is Joesonghamnida. This is a formal way of saying I'm sorry. Word number 5 is Jeogiyo. This is used to say excuse me to call the attention of someone. Word number 6 is Jamsimanyo, which means just a second. And word number 7 is actually a phrase, Annyeonghi Gaseyo, which means goodbye. And this is used when you are staying and the other people are leaving. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about Annyeonghi Gaseyo. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.